I let the so-called new owner in to do a survey 2 weeks ago. Jerome, they won't leave. Garland was on the phone and this fucking, stop pushing me!
Stop pushing.
Stop
Pushing her.
Jerome!
Calm down.
Their attorneys are here. Garland was on the phone talking to them, and this woman, Masato or something, is calling me a fucking wretch. She's calling me a fucking wretch. She's pushing through the fucking gate at me. Okay? Yeah, I know she's a criminal. Yes.
Of course.
What do
That's
I do?
perfect.
Garland, the police haven't fucking come here. The bailiff was on the phone with Garland. He's telling them there's court today at 10. This guy's saying, but I have an order. He said that's been set aside. There's legal documents. And this woman is saying, no, it's not. And it fucking
It's not set aside.
Jerome,
There's a
I'm gonna
warrant
fucking
of
pop, but I'm
possession.
down here.
Hello?
Do not endure it. Garth is standing across the street smiling.
No,
All of his attorneys are here. Not as a fucking man.